is a myth. Is a myth. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be doing another makeup challenge. I actually found this one on TikTok. What this girl did was she put all of her types of makeup into a bowl or a hat. So for instance, foundation, concealer, mascara, the works in here, and did her makeup normally. So for instance, I do my eyebrows first. So what I would do is I would go in here and I will pick something to do my eyebrows with, and this says foundation. So I would have to do my eyebrows with foundation. So I'm gonna do my full face using this whole like bowl hat. It's actually a hat, I don't know why I said bowl. So this whole challenge is basically me doing a full face of makeup in whatever type of makeup I pick out of here. I don't know what it's called. I will look before I upload it. And I don't know if she made it or if someone on here has done it before, but that's where I found it. It was a girl on TikTok. So I'm gonna try it and see how it turns out. Maybe it'll be fun. Maybe it'll turn out really nice. Maybe it'll be really bad. But if you're excited to see how this turns out, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we will get right into it. So I know that most of you are probably at home because of the COVID-19 virus. So I just want to make sure that you all know that I love you, and I hope that you're doing well, and I hope that everyone is safe and out of harm's way. I've had a lot of issues with the grocery store. I didn't take it very serious, I feel like, and we're running low on some things like toilet paper, and I cannot find it anywhere in my area. So just do the best that you can, guys, and I really hope you're staying safe. And if you do have to go to work, I hope that nothing bad happens to you. It is kind of scary. I will say that at first I didn't really care, and now it's kind of like, this is kind of scary. Like, they're shutting in here in Maryland. They have shut down as of 5 p.m. today, Monday, everything, restaurants, bars, everything. So again, just stay home, watch some YouTube, watch some Netflix, send me DMs on Instagram. We'll go ahead and chit chat and have some fun. So let's get into this makeup challenge. Basically, like I said in the intro, I found it on TikTok. It was just a girl. She put all the types of makeup she puts on her face. So foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, the works. And then she did her makeup in the order that she usually does. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the first thing I usually do is my eyebrows. So here, so you can see I'm not peeking. All right, we got one. We got one? Is it one? It's one, okay. I'm gonna put this back here. And just like I picked in the intro, it is foundation. Please ignore my ugly handwriting. So I'm going to do my eyebrows with foundation. Okay, so since I got foundation, I'm going to be going in and doing my eyebrows with the NARS Semi Matte All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Okay, it's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. I don't know how I'm going to do my brows with foundation. And it's not even like brown foundation. It's like tan, light tan foundation. All right, so I'll do a few pumps here. I did have to shake it out because this one's a little bit oily. So, oh my God, here goes. Oh my God. Basically, all this is doing is erasing my brows. I'm gonna do little flickers. Pointless, but we're doing it. All I'm gonna be able to do. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow next, and today I picked the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I have not used it in a long time, so I want to try to incorporate using an older palette. Please give me eyeshadow, please. Lipstick. Oh my God. Okay, so I'll be using lipstick for today's eyeshadow. Fantastic. All right, so I don't want to ruin my brushes. I'm gonna go in with a flat top brush, and I am going in with Kylie Cosmetics Apricot. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So that is the color that I picked for my lipstick. So that's gonna be the color that we do our eyeshadow with today. Fantastic. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is place it on here and maybe like blend it out so it can just be like a light pinky, peachy, I don't know, something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just push this out. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and try to just like soften what I've placed on here. Okay, I can work with that. I can work the brows. I cannot work with. This I can work with. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this side. So I don't really hate the lipstick as shadow. I'm gonna throw that out there. It's not the worst. Okay, so the next thing that I usually do after I finish my eyes is my foundation, well, my primer. So I'm gonna go in here and see what I'm using for primer. I'm using primer! So I am able to use primer as my primer. So today I'm going to be using the Pure 4-in-1 color corrector, and I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever really used this one. I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's kind of like super runny, so I don't know, we'll see. Silicone free is what it says. It smells delightful. I'm trying to be careful of my brows because I was not able to set them. And it's foundation, so it's kind of tacky. I like how it feels. Okay, moving on now that it's dried. We're going into foundation. What am I going to be using for my foundation? All right. What do we have? Highlighter. Oh my god, highlighter. No. Oh my god. Okay, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. So I'm using the Laura Lee highlighter palette, and this is, I believe, the glazed one. It is. So I think I'm gonna go in with one like this because it's a little bit closer to my skin tone, and that is Cinnamon Sugar. I need to get a brush because I'm not ruining my foundation brush. I have a foundation brush I am willing to ruin. Oh my god, what? No. No, all the work that I've ever done. Oh, by the way, like if you look at my skin, it is so textured right now because I've been using the Ordinary, and I'll give you guys an update. It's not going so well. Like I literally, the texture of my skin has actually gotten worse. So I know a lot of people recommend it, but what I'm saying is it ain't doing good. Oh my god. This is probably not helping it. This is too dark. This is not my shade. I definitely thought this was gonna be my shade. Cinnamon Sugar just sounds like it's good for like tan skin. We'll add some light. We'll mix it. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna go on with Diamonds, which is that super light shade, to try to lighten up so it's not as dark. I will not be going into my ears and my neck because I do not want to bring this down just because I have a feeling that this is already going to destroy my skin. Let's not take it any further than it needs to go. You know what I mean? Okay, so the next thing that I do after foundation, ladies and gentlemen, is what? My concealer. Let's pick some concealer. Contour. I get to use contour for my concealer. Oh my god. So contour, and this is what I use for my contour. It's a darker color pop in the shade Deep Dark, and it's gotta go under my eyes. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh, well, you know what? It will definitely cover those dark circles for sure. Don't ask me why I'm doing this. I'm bored at home, quarantined. So I have to. Like, what else am I gonna do? I'm stuck here for probably like 2 weeks. My kids are off school. My husband is off work. I'm currently off work until further notice. Oh my god. Guys. Okay. However, I will tell you, it does blend out very well, But this is becoming extremely, this is going to, I feel like it's not going to kill my skin. Like, obviously not the concealer, because like I use the concealer all the time, just in a lighter shade. But I do feel like the, oh my god, I need to get something else to go in here. Because over top of that highlighter, it's like really, it won't blend out over all that highlighter. You know what? I probably didn't need to use so much now that I think about it. Moving on. I look like the coronavirus. All right. So for my setting powder, nope, my contour. Contour first. Eyeshadow. So I will be doing eyeshadow for my contour. All right, so for contour, I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna go into Lure, which is this kind of mauve color, because this parallel one is gonna be a little bit too dark for my contour. So I'm gonna go in with the Lure color and I'm gonna go ahead and put it where I would put my contour, which is basically doing nothing because I have all that other color on. Oh my god. And you can't even see my eyebrows anymore. Like, this is pointless. All right, so the next thing is setting powder, where I set my under eyes. Please, gosh, let it be something. Oh god. So it is bronzer. Yeah. So I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer, you know, so it doesn't go anywhere. At least this kind of matches though. Like, I'll say that. It could have been like worse. Okay. Now that we're done setting powder, we're going to move on to bronzer, which we are obviously not going to be using because I just used bronzer. Oh my god. All right, so for my bronzer, I don't want to play anymore. I have to use mascara. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to do this. I do not want to do this. Oh god. All right. Oh. It's turning out really bad. Okay, so for my bronzer, I don't want to ruin any of my brushes. I'll use this one. It was a cheap Real Techniques one. I'm gonna try to blend it out as much as I can. I look like I'm doing like special effects makeup right now. That's what I look like I'm doing. All right, so going into blush. Oh, please just let it be blush. This is turning out to be really bad. Brow products. I have to use brow products. All right, we're going to go in again with another brush that I don't really mind messing up. We're going to be using my ABH Ebony eyebrows. And we're just going to pat some, okay, this is starting to be a little much. Okay, I'm putting on some blush. I look like I have just like a helmet across my face. And like just this orange highlighter. I look like a superhero. Okay, okay. Now we have done the blush. We're gonna go, I have to go back into my under eye with my lipstick because that's what I have to use for my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put a dab down here and then I'm gonna use that blending brush and try to blend it out. So the next one is highlighter. I'm going to be highlighting with setting powder. All right, so today I'm going to be using the Dermablend setting powder, and apparently I'm going to be using it as highlighter. Okay, so we're gonna go in And I'm just gonna place it where I would put my highlighter. It is getting all over my shirt. I hate this so much. Why did I do? You know why? Because this is dumb TikTok. All right, so we're gonna go in with mascara. There's only 2 left in here, so I don't know what I could be using. Concealer. Going to be using concealer for my mascara. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to take a spoolie and put some concealer on it. And I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer, and I believe it is the shade Hickory. And I'm going to put it on here. So I'm not gonna put lashes on because I just don't want to get concealer and stuff on my lashes. It looks like I'm trying to prime them. I just don't want to like get it in my eye because it could ruin my contact. And last but not least, there's only one left because my lipstick, and that is blush, which seems to be probably the only thing I could probably make work. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm just gonna go, I'm going in with the JOPPA Bouquet palette, and I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow brush to place that color. Okay. It's actually not terrible. Not the worst thing I had to do with this look. Thank you, Laura Lee Los Angeles, for a full coverage highlight. You cannot see under my skin. You can see hella texture, just not under my skin. So I'd say that this blush is a little patchy if you're using it for lipstick, so keep that in mind. Oh my. I look like I did some kind of special effects makeup gone wrong. Like, not talented at all. Oh my god, this turned out horrific. Oh my god. The girl who did it, like, hers didn't even look that bad. Like, it was bad, but like, not this bad. All right, so that is it, guys. That is my entire makeup routine decided for me by drawing the types of makeup out of the hat. I don't know what this makeup challenge is called, but this is what I got. Am I pretty? Just leave me a comment that says I'm pretty. I don't know what went wrong. I have very, very bad luck. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. As always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I want to see you guys recreate this, whether it be on TikTok, your Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, tag me in it. Let me see what comes up of yours, what looks you come up with, how like artistic you can get with the things that you're given. Unfortunately, I don't have, like, when it comes to like contour, I don't really have a lot of colors, so this was kind of it. But I feel like if you have a lot of different options, you might be able to work it out. So go ahead and comment below and let me know what you think of this challenge, and are you going to be recreating it? Because if you are, I would love to see it. And as always, guys, I love you. Stay safe, stay inside, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.